on someday. I've got a life of my own, and here now is the one day I spend with my family at home. I left the office in a flash of bright, threw my boots in the car, cashed my paycheck and hit a far country to sleep out underneath the stars. I drove Saturday and right into the evening till there were no city lights. Those broke lines that get the blurry through the windscreen like a side road all night. Sunday morning, band rolling in the sunrise with my fuel-gauge dead. I pulled in, fell up, and found a place deserted and a little sign that read, I knew the world comes someday. I got a life of my own, and see now is one day I spend with my family at home.
Somebody said, hey, the boss wants to see you in his office right away. He told me just how far behind the work was getting, and on the weekend could I stay. I started laughing, said you must be kidding.